Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio. Presenting up the MCQs from the chapter Skeleton and Locomotion. In this series, I'm presenting the MCQs from 6 to 10. Hope you have also watched the earlier videos wherein I've listed out all the important points from this chapter. There are many more which can be added up, and these MCQs have been framed just for your practice. So these include a range of MCQs from easier ones to the tougher ones. So keep hooked on to this series and keep practicing with me. Question number 6. Muscular dystrophy in humans is a dash. A. Viral disease. B. Bacterial disease. C. Genetic disease. D. Fungal disease. And the correct answer for this question is C. Genetic disease. Question number 7 is the joint of femur with pelvic girdle is dash. A. Hinge joint. B. Pivot joint. C. Non-movable joint. D. Ball and socket joint. And the correct answer for this question is D. It is a ball and socket joint. Question number 8. A sarcomere in the myofibrils of muscles is found in between dash. A. 2 M lines. B. 2 Z lines. C. 2 H zones. D. 2 A bands. And the correct answer for this question is B. That is 2 Z lines. The distance between the 2 Z lines, the area is called a sarcomere, which is said to be the structural and functional unit of the muscles. Question number 9. During muscle contraction, ATP provides energy for dash. A. Cross-bridge detachment of myosin from actin. B. Building up action potential. C. Release of calcium from sarcoplasmic reticulum. D. Cross-bridge attachment of myosin to actin. And the correct answer for this question is A. Cross-bridge detachment of myosin from actin. Friends, ATP, it enables the actin-myosin cross-bridge to detach, and this releases energy through hydrolysis, which enables the myosin head to return to its resting position. Hence, the correct answer here is cross-bridge detachment of myosin from actin. Question number 10. Which of the following is a part of pectoral girdle? A. Ilium. B. Ischium. C. Acetabulum. D. Glenoid cavity. And the correct answer for this question is D. Glenoid cavity. Friends, hope you're enjoying up this series and keep hanged on for many more series. Do keep a check on the playlist for different chapters and keep revising. Thank you so much.